So this morning I had to drop my housemate Toby at the airport. We had to leave at 4:45. It's real early. I didn't mind doing it because I was going to go take some sunrise photos, but it's actually raining and horrible. So I thought I'll kill two birds with one stone. Our friends Ellie and Westy bought a house in Tugun, and they always say that none of us visit enough, so I'm just going to pop in on the way home and just see if they're awake. Alright, that's Westy's car.
What are you doing?
Well, we're on the way to the shops. Oh, that was my phone. That one's alright.
Where are we going, mate?
We're on the way to the shops to get the props for this photo, which I hope will work. And if it doesn't, I don't know.
Hello, it's Brennan's assistant here. We're just at the shops to get some supplies for the photo comp tonight at the Wirrim Studios.
Woo! And assistant too. Alright, we got the props. Yellow was a good idea, Corey.
It was.
Props to the back.
What's up, dog? What is this?
This is for my photo. Just note to self, if I ever do a photo comp again with you, I'll get a trigger for my own camera. Well, I really hope this works. Yeah.
What's we on?
Hopefully. This is what I'm just going. I don't know if the balloons are too glowy.
No, they're not, eh?
That's hard, I'm done then.
You done?
Look away.
Yeah. Oh, 30 seconds.
All done. Did you win? I don't know. But I've got him to try and beat, and he's really good. I can look, I'm done.
The white is way too big.
How you doing? You doing good?
I want to see your blue ones. I really do.
I'll show you when you're done.
Hello, welcome to Mel's 8 weeks getting fit and stopping eating shit.
Sorry, what? Shame that beautiful shot's in portrait, you prick.
That's all he has to say.
Voting's up. Fucking hell.
Let's give it a go.
Crazy competition.
Good job. Good fucking.
We were on set the other day and he's like, stop calling me dad. Fucking call me Richard. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, dad. Come over here. What are you doing?
He prefers the boss of all bosses now.
Yeah.
Alright, but let's move this film clip to the driving force.
Didn't save time.
Hey.
Yeah, thanks for the good photo, we're me.
That's brutal. Yeah. Wait, didn't he shoot all day?
Get a photo with the balloons.
Just good as size. Yeah. Want to get a photo?
Yay!
Mount, just ignore him.
Ah!
Not much.
What those balloons getting in the way?